Number 5.
Horses have evolved extremely quickly since approximately 55 million years ago, and believe it or not, have gone from being the size of a dog to the large, powerful animals that we know today. The earliest horses were small and lived in tropical forests, which covered most of the land at the time. They had 4 toes per foot, and their teeth were suited towards eating leaves and other berries. However, as these forests disappeared and grasslands took over, they became much larger. Some major changes horses have undergone include an increase in size and longer legs, an increase in the length of the muzzle, a reduction of toes from 4 to 1 hoof, and changes to their teeth.
XTreme. Number 4.
Here we are at the sea, where it all began. You'd be forgiven for thinking that the oldest forms of life called this place home. Well, you'd be right, but it's also home to one of our latest and greatest recently evolved groups, the cetaceans. The whale family, known as cetaceans, evolved from 4-legged, even-toed, hoof ancestors that lived on land about 50 million years ago. With the largest of the family, and the largest animal ever to exist on Earth at over 30 meters, the blue whale, evolving just 1.5 to 2 million years ago. This family includes all whale species like dolphins and orcas, minke whales and porpoise. Both hippos and whales evolved from a common ancestor. Over a period of approximately 8 million years, they then became fully aquatic due to hiding in the water from predators.
XTreme. Number 3.
The platypus is a very unique individual. Not only does it look like some sort of Frankenstein creation of many different animals, with the bill of a duck, the body and tail of a beaver, and webbed feet with venomous spurs, but it has also proved to be very stubborn when it comes to evolution. The platypus belongs to the monotremes, along with the echidnas, a group that are believed to have split away from the other mammal groups nearly 200 million years ago. And in all of that time, it has kept many features that have been lost by many other mammals over millions of years, like laying eggs and an in-ear opening at the base of the skull. This has allowed them to expertly adapt to their freshwater habitats. They are native to Australia, which is a little bit out of our budget, so please enjoy this recreation.
XTreme. Number 2.
Before becoming the explosive, semi-aquatic predators that we know today, the powers of evolution created many different body plans and characteristics over the last 235 million years to allow crocodilians to survive and continue to dominate as environments changed. These magnificent animals have expressed a wonderfully bizarre evolutionary lineage during their time on Earth. These different evolutionary body plans included the long-legged, hooved and terrestrial hunter Bovirasuchus, who was an ancient crocodiliform who ran its prey down on land using powerful legs to garner speed to catch and kill animals that are already fleeing, rather than relying solely on ambush. These animals evolved due to the opening of many terrestrial niches after the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event that wiped out many of the dominant dinosaur predators. Today, all 27 crocodilian species on our planet have returned somewhat to their water-loving ways, with their legs growing shorter and a thick muscular tail developing to allow for explosive ambush techniques. They are also the only reptile that possess a 4-chambered heart, allowing them to hold their breath for up to 5 hours, and to stop and redirect blood away from injured parts of the body.
XTreme. Number 1.
Sharks evolved approximately 380 million years ago, 200 million years before the dinosaurs, and 50 million years before trees. Cahuasqui was the first true shark that resembled modern-day sharks. The fossil record shows that shark species up to 150 million years ago are identical to species today. The genus has loads of crazy features that have allowed them to thrive. These include the ability to use electroreception through pores on their skin. This allows them to detect faint electric signals given off by prey. They also have acute sense of hearing and are sensitive to low-frequency signals. They're able to track sounds and are particularly attracted to the noise of wounded prey. As well as direct touch, sharks experience distant touch through their lateral line. This is kind of like a radar.
XTreme.